Welcome to the lesson on selection and implementation of solution. In this lesson, we will discuss concept generation, concept selection, and solution to implementation and how these steps can improve the CAPA process. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to explain the do step of the plan, do, check, act cycle. Learners will also be able to describe brainstorming and benchmarking processes and explain how to select and implement effective corrective or preventive actions. Once the root cause of a problem has been discovered, the CAPA improvement team can begin creating possible solutions. In the do portion of the plan, do, check, act cycle, the CAPA team will need to generate potential problem solutions, evaluate and select the optimal solution, and implement the chosen corrective action. Possible problem solutions can be discovered through brainstorming, which is a creative thinking method where ideas are listed and organized. Brainstorming can be done individually or in a group. Sometimes, CAPA teams will brainstorm individually and then come together with their ideas and have a group brainstorming session as well. The team can also look for solutions to their problem in other manufacturing facilities that have had similar problems. This process is called benchmarking. These manufacturing facilities could be other plants owned by the same company, or they could be facilities owned by other companies. Once the team has come up with different solutions, it is time to select the best solution for implementation. One method for choosing the right solution is called concept selection. Concept selection compares all of the possible solutions to each other based on criteria such as cost, feasibility, and how well it will solve the original problem. During concept selection, the different solutions are rated, and the concept that has the best score should be selected for implementation. Additionally, concepts can be combined together during the process of concept selection to create a solution that is better than either of the two original concepts individually. So, when completing concept selection, do not rule out the option of combining ideas together. After an appropriate solution has been selected, the CAPA team can then begin the implementation process. It is very important that the implementation process be done in a standardized way based on company policy and that it is documented thoroughly. The CAPA team should understand the appropriate procedures required by their company to implement any changes. By following these procedures, it is more likely that the team's solution will be accepted throughout the company. Another important step in solution implementation is communication. The changes being made must be communicated to all employees that will be affected by the changes. This could include all the workers on all the shifts who deal with the problem, the maintenance workers who work on the machines, and the managers who oversee the production processes. It is important that all these people are aware of the changes that are being made. In summary, concept generation, concept selection, and solution implementation are crucial parts of the do step portion of the plan, do, check, act cycle. These processes help the company come up with creative and innovative solutions that help solve the root cause of the problem they are facing. It is important that when CAPA solution is implemented in a company that all the company policies are followed and that all employees affected by these changes are informed of the implementation and how it will affect them. Thank you.